What's going on, guys? It's Dean from Dean's Kitchen, and today I'll be showing you how to make deep fried Oreos. This is a personal favorite of mine and it tastes so delicious. So without further delay, let's get into it. So all the ingredients you'll need for this goes as follows: Oreos, which is the most important ingredient, pancake or waffle mix for the batter. Next, you'll need milk, or you could use water for the batter, either is fine, and an egg or two, which is also a part of the batter. And you can't forget the oil that you'll be using for the deep fry. Okay, so next it's time for us to start preparing the batter. Personally, I prefer a thicker batter for a more funnel cake type texture for the end result, but you can make it how you want. As long as it's not liquefied, that's the most important part. It cannot be liquefied or it's not going to look or come out well. Okay, so I usually eyeball a lot of my ingredients because that's just how I roll, baby. So I make a mixture consisting of a half cup of water and a third cup of milk. Next, you want to crack your egg and place it in the dry ingredients. Like I said before, depending on how many you want to make will determine how many eggs you'll need. And once that's done, begin to combine your wet and dry ingredients to make the batter. And as you can see, I added some more wet ingredients to get my batter, a little bit more thick. And when you make yours, you can just eyeball it and then you'll know what's best for you. And I like to add cinnamon to my batter for an extra touch at the end. So next, you want to preheat your deep fryer. I keep my temperature in the 350 to 360 degree range to make sure the oil isn't too hot or too cold. Now it's time to prepare the deep fryer, and you can also use any type of pot pan, just anything that can make the deep frying process easier. Because I just bought this deep fryer, so that's the only reason why I wanted to test it out for this video. And I almost forgot. If you made it to this point of the video, all I ask is that you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more detailed cooking videos. I have way more recipes coming and I plan on being way more consistent with this channel, so stay tuned. Okay, so now it's time to prepare our Oreos. I personally like to place my Oreos in the batter 5 or 6 at a time for an even cook. And this next part is essential. Make sure you are covering your Oreos with the batter. The ultimate goal should be having a fluffy outside and a sweet, moist inside, baby. And next is my favorite part of the entire process. You want to place the batter covered Oreos into your fryer one by one. After that, wait for your Oreos to turn brown on one side and flip it to the other side and repeat. After that, the other side should turn brown and then you're all set. And now you can start preparing for the final step, which I like to call decoration time. And I personally just put powdered sugar for a nice touch. Some people use chocolate syrup or ice cream, just depending on your personal preference. And just look at these beautiful bundles of joy. So sweet and so delicious. I want you guys to try these out for yourself and DM me some suggestions on foods that you think I should cook next on my Instagram, which I will leave in the description. Thank you guys for watching.